Hello everyone. I'm waiting for others to join. This is around 4 minutes left to start the today's lesson. Whatever the things I have changed the configuration of display today a little different. I think it will be uh, more clear to you, though the whole screen is not visible. In the previous classes I was observing that some of the parts of the class is hidden. Sorry, but today I have not configured. Just wait. I think it will come. Mm. So I am getting all together Khushi Raj, Yashasvi. Two of you have sent the confirmation. Ananya, ये रुचि बरगावन के नाम से कौन है? Please send your name. Ekta. Anyway, I am seeing altogether 7 people online, and four here made the confirmation in the WhatsApp. You are also observing. Others are expected to come soon. So I was in continuation of discussing data frame manipulation techniques in pandas, and one of the section of its manipulation I will finalize today. Then only one part will be left, that is its plotting. Today I will discuss about two main things. One is again related to extracting subset of data from the data frame given. This is done by two more methods. One is filter and another is query. Then I will discuss about changing the rows and columns, called renaming process of the data frame, and also a process is called reindexing, in which you get the facility to arrange the indices in the desired way. Gungun Vadani has confirmed the presence. So let us begin with till now. I told you earlier also that you will confirm your account creation in Python anywhere. I think, as far as I remember, no one has made the confirmation that you have created. Please tell me that in what way you are doing the practice of these things. And I also told that the write-ups that you prepare, take the screenshot, take the photo of that and send it to me, so that I can know that you are working. I gave you also a set of 12 questions to work with. 2 days were the gap days, and I expect that you may have done the work, and you will send the screenshot of your works. I told you that the use of those commands you will write on the paper and you will send it to me. And this communication should also be done. See, it's not in the near future, in 1 or 2 days, 1 or 2 weeks, this lockdown is going to be over. So you have to adapt to this new way of teaching. So kindly change the way of your studies, so that communication can be done from both the sides. I'm working in such a way that you should not find any difference in the class you attend in the school and in online class you are attending. I will go to the school and I will request to father to monitor the server also, so that you can get the school server maybe at your home to access with. But I'm not making you sure, but because I have to have a talk with father, and that is why I'm insisting always to create the account in Python anywhere, because all the libraries which are needed for your work you will find already configured there, that you have not to take tension and any sort of problem of configuring the libraries and other things in the environment. I configure and give you to work in the school server. But if you are working on your home computer and pandas and Python you have installed, then you have again to take tension of configuring the driver. And for example, from next day I'm going to discuss the plotting of Python data. Then again the library is required. If the library is not there in your Python environment installed, then you have to install them. Then only you will be able to work with. So for all sorts of problems, Python anywhere is the best solution. So you may have created, since you have not confirmed, I can't say you have not created. But if you have created, then please confirm that you have created the account and you are working online. Okay. If the speed supports me, let us see on the Python anywhere environment itself to work with. Let me zoom it. Good, first and starting from the beginning. See, yes. This is cleared. Python 3 started. Then importing the libraries. Import pandas as PD. Today let us write P only. Import NumPy as N. Then D equal to PD dot data frame sales.csv. So our environment is ready. Now, first of all, Bushra Khan is present. First of all, about filter. Filter is a method applicable on the data frame that extracts specified column from the data frame. The return object let me remove this line, there is no need of that. The returned object by filter method is also a data frame. For example, right now you have assume P is a yes, Gungun Bhadani has confirmed the creation of Python Anywhere account. Good. Assume P is a data frame having different rows and columns related to sales data, then P dot filter P dot filter within bracket square bracket, suppose you are writing sales date comma region comma total, will return a data frame containing rows for 3 specified columns of P. So let us see in the example. D equal to P dot This needs to wait. Data frame sales.csv. क्या हो गया भाई? Oh, pd dot. Sometimes my mind goes off. D equal to p dot read csv. I think it will be better to use my own terminal. If it creates problem further, I will close this. Sales.csv. Oh, I think I should leave this because it will unnecessary misuse the time. Closing this, and I'm opening my own terminal. Yes, but no problem. Quit. Python only. Ekta has also confirmed the creation of Python Anywhere account. Import pandas as pd. Import numpy as in what I say, d equal to pd dot read. Again problem. Quit. नहीं. P equal to pd dot read csv. It is count is different here. I have to find the whole path there anyway. Just wait. Files. Coming here, home, self, documents, Python 12, copy, documents, Python 12, paste. Okay. Read CSV Python 1.2 sales.csv. Safia has confirmed the creation of account. P sales.csv not exist. Why giving? Okay. P documents slash yes. See, today I was telling that see the last line very carefully. From the very beginning, I was telling that all the contents, खास करके, especially the CSV files with which you have to work with, you keep it in the directory from where you have started the interactive mode of Python. But today I could not copy that file in the environment from where I started Python. So that is why without doing the previous process, I thought to demonstrate you to open the file from the location where it is existing. So I started Python from my home directory, and inside the home directory there is a document directory. Inside document there is Python 1.2 that contains sales.csv. Understand this, that I started Python from my home directory. So by default, contents of home directory are accessible directly without any specification. Now I have sales.csv in the document directory that contains Python 1.2 directory where sales.csv is available. So I have to specify the whole path. See, from the current path, in the current path, at the current path, there is a directory documents. Inside documents, there is Python 1.2 and that contains sales.csv. The last line you observe very carefully. So this whole path is necessary to specify, then only you will be able to access your file. Earlier I was not giving the path correctly, so this much messages were coming that file does not exist or path not found, like that. So this is coming. If P is being printed, this is the file. Now I am writing P dot filter, and there I am giving the list sales date, what I wrote there, sales date, region, comma, total. This only I gave, and when you will press enter, you will find these three columns only coming. Date is coming, the region is coming, and total is coming. All the rows will come. If you will write some other extracts also, some other filters also, like p dot filter this, and it's only first 5 rows you want. Then you see here sales date, region and total, 3 columns are coming, and then with these 3 columns, whatever the values are coming, they are coming. So this is the easiest way of extracting. I discussed earlier so many other ways of extracting the pivoting, and so many other things were there, but in the simplest way, if you want to extract columns, then you are able to use filter. I remember one method I discussed. Suppose this you want to extract some columns from that. Then earlier I discussed a method like p dot loc, and then colon comma region comma rep c dot head. Now see, with the help of LOC, I told earlier to extract, you may have noted and worked accordingly. The LOC, then colon separator is only given so that the so that it includes all the rows, but specific row also you can take by specifying here, and with this you are specifying the columns so that you will get only the specific columns, and head as usual is giving. Now in this context, filter is its alternative, and in the simplest way you can extract the specific columns from the data frame, and this is as a data frame, so further methods can be applied, like head I am applying here also in the upper part, like let me write again for filter p dot filter, then region rep dot head. So this returns a data frame, filter returns a data frame. Because of this, you are able to apply other methods. Is it so? Like other methods, you can apply anything, like p, this is coming, comma, total, dot head, dot sum, axis equal to 1. Then you see you are seeing the sum of all are coming, region combining all, representative combining all, and sum is for all coming. So as a sequence, as a hierarchy, you can continue to apply other methods also, as this part is returning the data frame only. So this is only a demonstration according to your requirement in the real-time project. Whatever the requirements are there, whatever the need is there, you can attach the sequence of methods and your work will be done. So this is a work of experience. You cannot confirm that everything you can apply by immediate effort, but at this moment you have to get the scene only, that these are the features or these are the power, these are the tools available in Python pandas that you can use according to your requirement. Now let us come to another filter. Another is query. Query is one more filtering method applicable on data frame that extracts data meeting the specific criteria. This is similar like queries that you have created in SQL. In MySQL, you were writing the condition with the where, and according to the specification of fields in select, you were getting the result. So there in MySQL table, you were applying the select command in different ways to extract data. Here, Python pandas is also having the method that can be applied in a little different way to extract data conditionally. So condition to extract data from Python data frame, to filter data from Python data frame on the basis of a specific criteria is done with the help of query. For example, let us say you are writing p dot query unit is less than 2. Suppose you want to know that in sales database how many representative or what are the specifications, what are the sales of single item only. This gives sales data having unit sold 1 only. This can also be written as p dot query unit equals 1. I'm specific to Bushra Khan. Are you working properly, or in your difficulties or in your problems, if you are facing, please send me in written so that I can understand that you are working, because you are very remaining in silent mode always. So in the class, I see you working on the computers, then I can understand what you are doing. But right now, I'm not getting any information about you, only making the confirmation that yes, you are attending the class. So it is good that your practices and your efforts and your works you will send me, so that I can get a kind of confirmation that you are also working. So let us give these commands. See, P, let me zoom it first. P dot query, I wrote unit less than 2, and let me get the head part only. This also returns a data frame, head part only. Oh, this is not there. Not any item is having such sales. Not less than 2, then less than 10. Let us see. See, you are having with the unit column. You observe that units are coming less than 10 only. Less than 10 only. You have column number 40, row number 14, then 24, then 25, 31 and 35 are having units sold less than 10 as I specified there. Others can also means this can be specified fully like a query as you specify in MySQL with where. Like suppose I want to list only central region, then p dot query region, wait, region equals central. Now see, only first 5 rows of central region are coming. So this is like SQL. These expressions can be written similar like SQL. P region. Others also can you specify. It is central. Head part it is good to remove right now. Yeah, chalo रहने दो. Head, central and unit less than 10. Now see, this is coming from central, all central region data where unit sold is less than 7. So अभी इसको pivoting के द्वारा अगर करना है तो बहुत तरह का specification you have to make, and here simple like query, MySQL query, you can specify the things. तो देखो, since you have to know about pivot table also and query also, you know about it, but as far as use is concerned, wherever the simplest use is concerned in problem solving, we go for using simple methods. So here you get the full flexibility of specifying the condition according to which you can extract data from data frame. I don't want to go in details of or different ways of writing expressions, because I expect that you have the idea of writing conditional expressions you studied earlier in the Python programming also, and At the time of learning MySQL, also these things were discussed. So and operation and or operation, not operation, like, they all can be specified in writing the condition. And since this is returning a data frame, the rest of the methods of the data frame is also applicable. Okay. This, according to the example, this is not matching, so let me write it again. Example, P dot query unit less than 10 returns all the rows of the data frame where units sold are less than 10. दूसरा example, P dot query region equal central and unit less than 10. You pay attention here, since central was a central value is a string, a text data, so that has to be closed in quotation mark. So two quotation marks cannot be given together. That is why the double quote is marked externally, and internally the string is marked with a single quote. Returns all the rows of central region having units sold less than 10. This is, and let me write once again, query returns data frame on which further methods can be applied to get the information accordingly. So here the filtering part is over. Another is renaming. This is a simple work. Rename. Rename method is used on the data frame to change the labels of change the labels of rows or columns or both. For example, p dot rename sales date colon s date. rep colon person. Let us see it. Here in the example, let us see first. I am writing p dot rename dictionary. I am giving sales date colon s date comma rep colon person, dictionary close, bracket close. Only head is necessary. चलो tail अभी देखते हैं. Now see. Just wait. Why this is not coming? Wait. Now see, I had not specified where I am making the change. Now see the two at the top, you are specifying sales date, and now it is coming as date. Here REP, this is coming as person. Now the specification, you see columns equal to dictionary, and this tail part, the lower part I am seeing. So in this way you can rename. If all you have to rename, then like a list you can specify columns equal to. Like let us see the example. P dot rename columns No, this will not come in this way. You have to have the matching of column accordingly. Like whatever the columns are given accordingly, the same number of rows you have to specify. Yeah, more you will specify, then NaN values will come. So just to modify it. Example, P dot rename columns equal to sales date colon S date comma REP colon person changes the columns sales date to S date and REP to person. The values are given as dictionary, where the key is given as previous value, and value of the key is given as new value to replace. So in this way you can do. Similarly, you can do with indices also. In the same way, row labels can also be changed. Rename index equal to who is asking where error is coming. The way you will check all those things, just wait. Right now you see if difficulty is coming. When my text I will send to you, then you will refer where you are making the mistake. Right now I'm not seeing your screen, so I can't say where is the problem. So when I will send this working text to you, then you will compare where you are making mistake. Just wait for a while. Index 41 colon A. Just one I am specifying. See what I did, that the same way I am printing. Now see here. Oh, you cannot see. See, two things I want to show. See the first line. I have written x equal to p dot rename index equal to 41 in quotation mark. Pay attention. Is it coming? No. See the 41 in the first line where it is specified. 41 is written in quotation mark, and I am telling the replacement with A. No replacement. 41 is coming in the printing as usual, because 41 is a numeral index. So here in the next line I specified p dot rename index equal to 41 without quotation mark, you see, and then the replacement of A I mentioned. Then you see here this has been replaced to A. So type of data is also necessary to specify and to keep in mind. Example. Example, p dot rename index equal to 41 colon A changes the row label (41) to A. Now just 2-3 minutes more it will take. Let me tell about reindex. This is used to arrange the rows of the data frame in the desired way. देखो, suppose this is here, p dot reindex (42, 39, 38, 40). Now see, this is also a way of extracting the rows also. Whatever the indices I specified, the result is coming according 42 is coming first, 39 is coming first, 38 is coming, 42 is coming first, then 39, then 38, and then 40. Example, p dot rename, reindex 40, 39, 42, 38, returns the data frame having the rows in the order specified in the method argument. That's all today. So this part is over now. Next day to work with plotting. Today 5 minutes more I have taken, like the class time also I take something more in order to finish their things. So that's all today, and whatever about the problem one student has told, you will refer this this screenshot I will send you. You will refer this screenshot and you will try to rectify your problem. So thank you everybody.